Can you talk to me about your new ink there?
Well, after a couple of points, we said, why not? Get a tattoo for Troy Parrott.
Okay, and what does it say there?
It says pecked by the parrot.
Pecked by the parrot. Talk to me, you were at the game, were you?
Yeah.
Very good. What was the atmosphere like when that? You were there Thursday?
Yeah, we've season tickets.
Unreal.
And try and get to as many away games as we can, kind of thing. Cracker, absolutely great.
Best tear to me, everyone was crying.
I was sobbing.
Did she cry?
Oh, yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Love it.
Absolutely sobbing.
If not then when? When
Exactly.
you can shed a tear. Yeah. Lads, how much did the tattoo set you back?
I think it was only 120 for the two of them.
Bargain.
Yeah.
Bargain.
Well, it has to be done. Do you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
When that's when you get a chance to do it.
For sure. Had you lost hope?
Yeah, definitely. I said to myself, because there was a person beside me, I had it timed on the phone, and I said, it has to be over. Mm-hmm. It was 20 seconds over, and then it flicked on and went in the net. I couldn't believe it.
Last Wednesday we were sacking the manager. And last night it looked ominous that they were going to get the draws what they played for, but that's the rock to perish on. But we couldn't believe it, and when we did score, there was just a stunned silence for a few seconds, and everyone was looking in the corner for the linesman to put the flag up, but he didn't. So he just got in at the back of him, He would have been the far end from us. We just seen the net rattling, and then we just looked at the linesman to see was he putting his flag up, and he didn't. They went stone mad, and they were stunned silence from them, So
unreal.
Yeah, but
it's just the best ever yet. Can't describe it, to be honest. No words will do it justice.
Had you given up hope at any point?
I don't know, it was looking very unlikely, alright, and obviously a very bad start at the very beginning. They got a goal, but I wouldn't say I gave up hope, but probably the chances were against us. It wasn't looking likely, but you always have hope.
It was a nightmare start with a dream finish.
Yeah, that's the perfect way to describe it.
What was the atmosphere like when that third goal went in?
Don't ask. Electric.
Amazing.
When all three goals went in, by the way.
All three goals, right?
The last one tops it off.
Very good. And come here, why do you think Ireland performs so well in these situations where their backs are against the wall?
Oh, I don't know. After the win on Thursday night, they were up for it.
Yeah.
An awful lot of people before Thursday thought we hadn't a hope, including us.
Yeah.
But after, I think the win Thursday night, that was the bonus, and that kick-started them. And
this team probably had been lacking confidence up until that point, up until Thursday.
They had been, yeah. But then, look, I know the players, a lot of players are not there. They're not big Premiership players, but they're coming to now.
Yeah.
And hopefully, and the manager's been given a chance, and hopefully we'll get a new contract and move us forward.
Yeah. America for the summer?
Oh, please, well, yeah.
One step at a time.
Please God.